Viral floor transformation videos are taking over social media right now, and the most impressive part is that nobody can tell, even for a second, that these videos were created using AI. The quality is incredibly realistic, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, open Google and search for Explore GPT. Click on the first website that appears. Once you're there, search for floor transformation and click on the first generator. Then click the Start button. ChatGPT will now suggest several floor transformation ideas. Choose the one you like the most and send it back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for your idea. First, copy the image prompt. Then, open Flow AI and select the image section. Paste the image prompt and generate the image. Within a few moments, Flow AI will create a high-quality image for you. Next, copy the video prompt. Go back to Flow AI, tap on the image you just created, and click Add to Prompt. Then, switch to the video section. Paste the video prompt and click the Send button. After a short wait, Flow AI will generate a high-quality AI video based on your image. Repeat the same process for all the remaining image and video prompts until all of your clips are ready. Once everything has been generated, open your favorite video editing software. Arrange all the clips on the timeline, make any final adjustments, and click Export. That's it. Your AI floor transformation video is If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content.